Hello, this is Sunshine Stamper, and today we're going to do a walkthrough and review of the Love Story paper packet and sticker bundle from Close to My Heart. This particular paper packet and sticker bundle comes in 3 different options. The one I have here is Mink and white. It also comes in black and white and toffee and white. I have the paper packet and sticker bundle. So for $9.95 you get the papers and the sticker sheet. There's a slightly cheaper option. You could buy this paper without the sticker sheet, and without the sticker sheet it is $6.95. So this is the stickers that are included. They are very generously sized stickers. There's a definite love and wedding theme and engagement theme. I don't plan on using it for a wedding. I have other options that I'm going to use, focusing on these bigger sentiments and the flowers. So this isn't, you don't have to make wedding pages out of this. There's a lot of other things you could do. And the other nice thing about these stickers, you could take these stickers and you could use your markers and color them in and give them like little pops of color. And that is what I plan on doing. So on this sheet you've got 2 long borders, and these have the silver foil on them, which gives it a nice little bit of sparkle. There's 2 tags. There's some hearts. There's little, they look like little star flower type things. There's little dots. More hearts. We've got the flowers. We've got some petals. We've got this beautiful sentiment that says, "This is us." You've got some banners over here. One that says "Love Story." You've got the large Mr. and Mrs. focal point that you would use for a wedding page or an anniversary page. We've got this sentiment here that says "Picture Perfect," "I love you." And then there's just a lot of little pretty details in this set that I really like. These flowers are just gorgeous. And that is the sticker sheet. One thing to note, these are cardstock stickers. So as you can see, they are thicker than paper stickers. And they give your project a little more depth and visual interest when you use these versus just the thin paper stickers. So that is the sticker sheet. The first design of paper is this little flower type one. So this is one side and this is the other side. So you get 2 sheets of this pattern, and it's double-sided with a different design in each sheet. And then each of these patterns will have a different zip strip at the top. This is where, if you were going to the craft store, this is where your barcode would be. But for Close to My Heart, because they don't sell these in retail stores, they put a decorative stick strip there where you can use it as a border. So that's a nice little touch, and it helps you get more out of your sheet of paper. So that's the first design. Here is the second design. We've got some stripes. We've got the plaid type design going on there. We have the zip strip with the dots, which is nice. And then our final set is this very beautiful pattern on one side, and the other side has these beautiful flowers. So this pattern, this is another thing where you could come in with your markers and add little accents of color in there. And that would be very fun. Just a lot you could do with this paper. So as you can see, there are 6 sheets of paper total, 2 sheets of each pattern. Each pattern is double-sided. And these are, here's a look at all the patterns you will get, and the sticker sheet for $9.95, which is actually a pretty good deal at this point in time for the quality of the paper and the stickers. Out of this pack, I think my favorite design is probably these flowers. And I have to say, of the options offered, I think the black and white option looks even better than this mink and white. The black one you could color in easily and really pop out the colors. The Mink, it's going to be a little harder to blend those colors together, but I think this pattern is my favorite. There's a lot you could do with it. You could do cards. You could break this up for scrapbook pages. There's just so much you could do with this paper. Overall, I think it is a solid paper pack. I am happy I bought it. I am looking forward to using it. I think I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. I really enjoy the stickers, and I would buy this again. And I think I actually am going to buy it again, and I'm going to buy it in the black. That's how much I like the patterns and the stickers. Well, that is our review and walkthrough of the Love Story paper packet from Close to My Heart. I will put a link in the description box where you can buy your own. I will put links for all 3 colors and the different options. Thank you for joining me, and please subscribe and please like my video. Thank you.